What's up, everybody? Today we're doing a teak tuning setup with the teak tuning white trucks and the teak tuning, I think they're clear wheels. And we're taking these wore off trucks off and doing a new grip tape. First we have to take the grip tape off. We're obviously going to save the trucks for a different board, because I just don't want to throw them away. Sometimes they can be hard to take foam grip tape off. Crap. It ripped. Don't worry, YouTube, please don't take this down. I know what I'm doing. It's just to get the grip tape off. And to cut it when I put a new piece on. Sorry guys, not going as planned. Well, it's leaving access on there. I have to scrape off with my fingernail, because I can't have that happening, otherwise the grip tape won't be good. Should be good enough. And now we have to take the trucks off. We're gonna open this because it has a tool inside. Shout out to Teak Tuning. Awesome stuff. Stickers, trucks, wheels, boards, stickers. You know I already said that, but I like their stickers. This pair of trucks even comes with a sticker. Set out to the side. But I want to get the skate tool out so I can take off these trucks. struggling a little bit, but I think I've got it. The truck came off and it scared me. I had to take the hardware out. Or do I? Because it comes with new hardware, so I might just use the new stuff. I officially have the first truck taken off with the hardware taken out. Time to go to the other truck. I don't really know where I'm going to put these bolts. The hardware. I'm just going to set them up on this thing until I'm done with this video. Pretty nice truck. It's metal. But these ones I'm putting on are white. They look sick. And the wheels are clear. Or transparent. And I am feeling a little stuffy, so I'm going to be sniffling. Almost done. I dropped the tool. One more bolt. Oh, this one's tight. It came off. I'm gonna have to take the hardware out. That's 1, 2, 3. Where's the tool? 4. We are done taking it out, so now we just have a deck. And if you've seen our other videos, we put a teak sticker on it. So again, I'm just gonna put these up here. And now we move on to the hard stuff. Sorry guys. these even come with bushings in them? Shouldn't be that hard to put on. Ooh. Why is there nuts in here? I thought those were for wheels. Probably are. I've got wheels right here I'm gonna put on. Can't get it. Put that in like that. We're doing it diagonally because I'm just used to it. Whoops. Struggling here. Let's try the other truck instead. Hopefully I don't drop it again. Where did that go? Ooh. Found it. Okay. I'm struggling. Because it keeps getting pushed out when I try to put the truck on. think it's almost done. Got the first one on there. It looks good. I think I did a good job. I've never done this before. Where'd the tool go?
Here, let me check it.
My dad's gonna check it.
Been doing this for about 26 years now. I should know how to do it.
I'm only 11. I've been doing it since I was like 5.
You definitely should be able to do it.
Well, I've never put one together before.
Yeah, you did good.
The bushing's good?
Yep. Well, they're brand new. Teak ain't gonna send you crap.
Hey, stay in the video.
No.
Sorry guys, this is the hardest part. Because they're so tiny.
So do you like being on little skateboards?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about it?
Having fun.
Yeah.
And
How long have you been on it?
about 9 months.
Do you know the history of it?
Started out when you were a teenager.
Yeah.
And then you did real skateboarding.
2003. Me and my brother started it in our garage.
And then you got hurt,
Yeah.
so you couldn't really skateboard anymore.
No.
And then we brought it back with fingerboarding
Yeah.
in 2022.
Should we start making our own fingerboards?
Yeah. Could be more expensive that way.
Yeah. I bet we could find the veneers we need cheap enough.
Maybe.
Why didn't you just use the old hardware?
Because it's brand new. And it looks fancy.
Let me see those.
So we're gonna put these in the little slots.
I don't know what those are. Oh, you got you got white bushings in there.
The little blue bushings wouldn't look good with white trucks.
I don't know what those are.
Like the little tubes.
Yeah. Oh, they're spacers
What's that?
for your axles, I think.
Is that what the wheel goes on?
Yeah.
These things?
Yep. Yeah, with spacers.
Okay. Gonna put the truck on. You want to do this one, Dad?
Nah, you got it. You did good.
Put the finger over the hardware so it doesn't fly out. And I put the truck in it. And make sure the truck isn't backwards, otherwise it won't work right. Because we learned that the hard way before.
Yeah.
And we had to take it apart and redo it.
Don't pee yourself.
Stop. That's embarrassing. The heck?
Alright.
Why is it?
So you like to listen to music when you fingerboard?
Sometimes. Not all the time.
No. What's your favorite thing to skate fingerboard on?
A half pipe, or a flat rail, or flat ground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your favorite trick to do?
A back foot hard flip.
Yeah. How'd you learn that?
You? You taught me?
Yeah.
Not really. I just saw what you're doing and then I tried it and I got it.
Are you gonna show them, the viewers, how to
Yeah.
do it?
After I get the wheels on and the grip tape,
No, I'm talking about right now.
there's no wheels.
Please.
Stop. We're doing this way too late at night.
No, you're not.
What time is it?
1.
Oh, it actually is. And I just cracked my back. It felt good.
So do you like playing skate with the fingerboard?
Yeah.
What?
I'm trying to get into real skateboarding.
Yeah. We'll get you there.
It's hard.
Well, it's kind of wet right now.
Well, yeah, it's the middle. We're starting winter.
No, it's still fall.
Or
Come on. They're waiting. They want to see the end result. Did you get it on right?
check.
Bless you.
Thanks.
Oh, let me see though.
Oh man, I did it wrong, guys.
Yeah, you missed one. That's it.
I did all 4.
I'm just checking them. One's crooked.
One's crooked, I guess.
Ah, jeez.
Don't break it.
I'm not.
Those look nice. You want to change the sticker out? Because that one's kind of peeling off. Plus the wheels come with a cooler one. With a cooler design.
Yeah.
Yeah. Silver, but it's...
Why does that keep doing that? I hate these little tools.
What's wrong with it?
It's not seating right. See?
One's loose then. Is that one fine?
Yeah. Sorry guys, technical difficulties.
I'm not sponsored, I'm just thirsty.
No, all these are loose.
I have a regular plastic fingerboard. See if I can do the 1 foot hard flip off.
There you. I gotta go get a bigger tool.
Cool trick. If you do it right. Because it will get some good pop. Because we did like a 4 foot 5 gap from this cabinet you can't see. That cabinet to the couch. It was hard.
Trick is, if you can't get it with your Tech Deck tool,
Get a real screwdriver.
get an eyeglass screwdriver.
If you can find one. Da-da. Wasn't the trick I was going for, but
I don't want to go.
ooh.
So what I'm gonna do,
Just take it off.
take them back. Oh.
Is the other one fine though?
Mm-hmm.
See if I can do the back foot hard flip. It was sloppy. Try to do a kick flip. I don't know. That was almost it. That was a pop shove it. See if I can do a 360 pop shove it.
RS on the game of Skate for the Xbox 360.
Oh, wait.
Ain't that right?
I don't know why I couldn't get that. Like I thought it was like your whole body spun with it.
No,
Like you.
that'd be a 360 pop shove it. Pop shove it 360. Almost there.
Where's the skate tool?
I got it.
Because I was gonna loosen these trucks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So do you have any advice for the kids out there? Or anybody that wants to get into fingerboarding?
You're not gonna be as good as us right away. We have been doing this for a while, and even though he's been doing it longer than I've been alive, he's still learning every day. And he's way better than me, but I'm learning still, and I'm getting way better. It's fun. Don't try to get sponsored, but if you do, it's cool. And if you do YouTube videos, don't do it for the fame. Just do it for fun. And just have a good time. And if any of you guys see this and you start fingerboarding, and you have a channel
Let me see that.
boarding, we could probably collab maybe. But don't just do it for fame, that's just cruel. Look how loose those trucks are now. I like them like that sometimes.
There.
Better?
Yeah. And I tighten up your trucks more too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's that.
Field.
Yep. I can see it.
Some people like it like that.
That's how I skate my regular skateboard.
Loose trucks?
Yep.
These aren't loose. These are tight.
One of them broke, but
One of them's
that's
broke.
what happens when you skate the same board for a long time.
No, I mean
or same trucks.
It's a little loose, like one of those bearings.
That'll be fine.
Are you talking about this skateboard?
My real skateboard. Yeah, that'll be fine because when you get that grip tape on there, it'll hold that in place.
Because it's going to be sticking out.
Yeah.
Should we do the wheels or the grip tape?
Do the grip tape.
We've got this foam grip tape.
Just some off-brand off Amazon. Nothing special, just foam grip tape.
It doesn't have the best grip, but it's something. It's better than just having wood.
So if anybody has any suggestions on better foam grip tape, we'll be gladly taking it.
Let us know, please. Make sure it's sticking on it good. And then
Be careful with that.
we're
Just
gonna,
make sure you got it all the way down. You want to push hard so you get it to stick.
YouTube, please don't take us down just because we're using a knife. It's just to cut this out and to sand it down on there.
Yep. Sometimes you can take your fingers to go around it. Sometimes you can't. It's best if you got a file.
Yeah. Do we have
Or you got a real skateboard next to you. Use the grip tape on that.
Wait, we can do that?
Yeah. Just go around like that on it.
Well, we have a real skateboard next to us. Not planned. For real. Right?
Nope. Yep. take it like this. See?
Whoa, it's cutting it out for us. It's clean. Can I try to do the rest?
And then you could just take this, since we got a little piece off, fold it over.
I don't know if that's gonna work.
No.
Because it's foam.
But be careful so you don't take no more off. Okay?
Like what you did.
Yeah. You want me to do it or you got it?
I'm gonna try it.
Yep, just do that. You got it.
See guys, I got it. This takes a little bit of learning, that's all.
I got 5 on it.
What was that laugh? Ow!
Alright, let's go. Alright, now try doing the knife.
The back side.
Just be careful so you don't cut yourself. Alright, trim it up. You want me to do that part? There.
No, let's.
What are you doing?
It's not really working. So my idea worked. Just need more force. Could have just went live for this.
Yeah.
Because look at how long it's been.
That's alright.
It's definitely our longest video.
Mm-hmm.
It's already 40 minutes long.
Is it really?
Yeah. But that's okay. But if we went live, I wouldn't be able to see it.
Mm-mm.
I don't even know if I'm going to be able to see it yet when we post this.
Come on, there we go.
Whoa. Oh there, buddy. Oh boy.
Oh yeah.
The goofy laugh. Oh boy. Do you know what voice impression that was? Mickey Mouse.
There. We'll fix it up later. How's it feel?
Like grip tape.
There you go. Finish it up. Oh, you got your spacers and your nuts in there.
I think these have nuts in them already. Nope. We're gonna take this sticker off and put this new one on. That the wheels come with. Because I think it has a better design.
Let's see something. Those wheels have bearings in them?
I think so. Yeah, bearings. But not nuts.
You got the nuts right here. I want to see make sure everything was there. Okay. Let me see one of these. So you're gonna put the wheel on and then you're gonna put the spacer on.
A little tube.
Mm-hmm.
And then use a skate tool.
Yep, you gotta put that nut on. I already got a spacer on there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
So a nut.
Yep. And then your tool's right there. The easier way.
Is put it in it.
Yep.
Because it fits right in there.
Yep.
That's what I was doing when I was using the other fingerboard.
See, when I first started, the trucks never came with spacers on the wheels.
You had to buy them?
No, Tech Decks never came with them.
It's not. So I have to screw it?
Yeah. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Screw it in more?
Yeah. Let's see.
Because I've never had spacers.
Never either. So I don't know how exactly they go on. So we'll just put them on there for now. Change it over.
Can I see the skate tool?
So remember, put the
Wheel on?
the wheel, then the spacer.
Sorry guys. They're just hard to put on.
Sorry for it being so long, but he's learning.
The thing is stuck in the tool.
He knows how to fingerboard, but he's still new at putting them together.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
It's okay. It happens. See, I just did it.
I'm sorry guys, I have to go blow up my nose.
Alright, I'll finish it up for him and we'll be done.
Oh, that's not good. You finally get it?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, you're on the third one?
Yep.
Try to do the last one at least.
There you go. Finish her up.
Wait. What way does it go? Does it matter?
Yeah. This will go on like that.
Cause I put the other one on randomly.
I'll look at it when we're done. Come on. Put the spacer on.
Do you think anyone's gonna watch this all the way through if they see it?
Yeah.
Cause it is a really long video.
You gonna represent teak tuning at school? Put this on your phone?
Maybe. Maybe on the pop socket.
Will it fit? Oh yeah, that'd look good there.
It cover up the galaxy, but it doesn't really go off the green.
You could put it right there too.
Crap, the spacer came off.
Oh jeez. Oh, I thought you lost it. Almost there. Then you gotta do a trick. What
Yeah.
trick are you gonna do after you put your sticker on?
Kickflip,
Yeah?
maybe.
Check your wheels, make sure they turn.
That could be tighter.
You want it to be like that.
That one's perfect.
That's how you want it to be. Okay, those are good. That's good. That's good. They're good.
That one.
Loosen it a little or tighten it, whatever you think. Don't go too tight though.
That one actually sounds perfect.
Yeah. Alright. Let's deal with your sticker. Are you gonna put a sticker on?
Yeah. I'm taking this one
Why
off.
don't you just put both of them on there? Leave that one on.
And like overlap them a little bit?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Like an actual skateboard?
Yeah.
Did you ever
Mm-hmm.
overlap your stickers?
Yeah, when I used to put stickers on them. Got it? Don't tear it.
Oh crap.
Be careful. There you go. Ooh. You should put it like on the nose or tail. If it'll fit.
air bubble.
That's good.
Where's the knife?
Just push it. There. Show it off now. To the camera.
So, got our white trucks, clear wheels, new sticker, a fresh grip.
Good job.
The sound when it spins, it's nice.
Yeah.
I wanted to say something else, but
Yeah, don't be saying that stuff.
you don't know what I was gonna say.
Yeah. Alright. Well, sorry for the long video. If you like what you see, if you got any comments, shoot us a comment.
We'll get back to you.
And like and subscribe.
Bye everybody. Like and subscribe to Teak Tuning, please. Like and subscribe to Teak Tuning and Look Skateboards because they're both awesome channels. Thank you. Bye.